Hello everyone. In this video I am going to discuss on the topic magnetic field due to current element. A magnet can attract small pieces of iron, cobalt, nickel, etc. The space around a magnet and within which its influence can be experienced and this region is called magnetic field. A moving charge or a current sets up or creates a magnetic field in the space surrounding it. So, when we flow a current through a conductor I, it produces a magnetic field around it. And according to Fleming right-hand rule, if we hold a conductor in the grip of our right hand in such a way that the extended thumb points the direction of current and the direction of curl of our fingers gives the direction of magnetic field. And from an experiment on current carrying conductor, two French scientists, Biot and Savart, deduced an expression for magnetic field of current element is called Biot-Savart law. Biot-Savart law. Let us consider a current carrying conductor X, Y carrying current I from X to Y. Let dl be the small land element and P be a point where we have to find magnetic field dB due to this land element. Let the position vector of the point P due to this land element is R and the angle between position vector R and dl is theta. And according to Biot-Savart law, the magnitude of magnetic field dB is directly proportional to I, that is current through this conductor, directly proportional to the length element and directly proportional to the sine of the angle between R and dl, that is theta, and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between dl and R. Combining all these factors, we can write dB is directly proportional I dl sine theta R square, or dB factor is equal to k I dl sine theta R square, where k is the proportionality constant and it depends on the medium of the observation point P and the length element dl, and also it depends on the system of units chosen. For free space, for n SI unit k is equal to mu naught by 4 pi, where mu naught is the permeability of free space. And the numerical value of k is 10 to the power minus 7 Tesla meter per ampere, where Tesla is the unit of magnetic field and m is the unit of length and a is the unit of current. So, in SI unit, the expression of Biot-Savart law is mu naught by 4 pi I d L sin theta r square. And if we multiply numerator and denominator by r, then the expression is r I d L sin theta r cube. As the direction of magnitude of magnetic field dB is perpendicular to the plane of r and dl, so the factor form of Biot-Savart law is dB is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I r cross dl r cube. That is r dl sin theta is nothing but the cross product of r vector and dl vector. So this is the required expression of Biot-Savart law. So using this expression, we can find the magnetic field of a straight current carrying conductor or circular current loop, etc. So there are so many applications of Biot-Savart law. Hope you all understand. Thank you.